Hazrat Sauban radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has compressed the earth for me, and I saw its east and west, all eastern and western areas. Soon the rule of my ummah will reach so far as it was contracted for me. I was granted two treasures, red and white. I begged my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu not to destroy my ummah by a general famine, and not to make an enemy from any other people, so a dominance over them who will legalize their killing. Undoubtedly my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu replied, O Muhammad, when I issue any decree, it cannot be averted. Undoubtedly I have granted you this favor regarding you, Ummah, that I will not annihilate them through general famine, and will not impose any enemy from any other people who will legalize their killing, even though the people from all parts of the earth make an alliance against them, until some of them kill some others, and some of them hold the others captive." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7187.